So guys, one key, car garage back at you. The last set of struts we installed. This is the result. Just about four fingers in there, which is way too high. It kind of sets the geometry off and the stance way off, to the point where even this wheel look as if it's you know, concaved or something to that effect. But what we're going to do, we're going to install a new set of coilovers. You see the rears sit about right on the factory, but with those struts that I replaced earlier, they were also squeaking, in addition to being too high for the front. So went ahead and sourced these from eBay. All right, and this is the name, max speeding rods, or max speeding rods. All right, they look pretty. We're gonna install them and see how they perform. All right, at this point I'm thinking of just doing the front, but I'm not sure, so we'll do the front and see what the geometry looks like, and then you know, decide whether or not to do the rears. All right, so this is what they're sitting right now in the rears. It's about factory height, and over here it's way off, just too high. All right, and this is the 2004 Lexus LS430. All right guys, back at you. And just like that guys, the old one is out. The new ones are in. I only did the front. All right, these are the rears, but the factory rear is sitting where I want it, so it looks good to me. So the adjustables only went on to the front. All right, that's the rear, that's how it's sitting, and this is the front now. Remember, I was able to get like 4 fingers in here. Now we're barely at 2. We're just at 2. All right, so we are at the height that we want to be. I have a little bumper crack right here. I'm going to address that, but yeah, that's how we're sitting guys. Before I was able to put all 4 fingers through that fender right there, so we're just down to 2. All right, and on the back it's about the same, so we have it about even. As far as the adjustments on the adjustable, have it up to basically the highest it could go, because it's a lot shorter. These coilovers are a lot shorter than the struts that were in before. All right, and as you can see up in here, that's her right there. She's about at max height, so there's a lot of room for adjustment if I want to go lower. I don't think I'd want to go lower on this vehicle. It's gonna change the whole dynamic. Right now the ride feels way more sportier on these coilovers. So the handling has definitely improved. All right. And as you can see, guys, the profile of the hood sits lower. All right, gives it that slope feel. And the installation on these struts is not hard at all. It's very easy. You just follow the directions, look at some tutorials, and the adjustments on how to adjust them is there in the kit. So it's pretty straightforward. So that's where we're at. All right, guys, let's take this turn. Way more sportier.